solve. I will solve you. You will also solve with me. Then few examples you can go home and solve it. Okay. That you see the placing. I'm just explaining the placing of this. 2 markers, 1 example, and 4 to practice. See, all this are from the previous year papers. Okay. So if you are referring this, it is more than enough. Okay. No need to refer previous year papers at all. We have picked up those questions from previous year paper itself. Okay. So notice everything is from previous year paper. Most of the ideas. Takes probability, see triangles, 2 markers, triangles, and then 3 marks. Next is 3 markers, chapter wise, from there 3 marks can be asked. Next is 4 marks, and last is 5 markers. And finally, we have put one checklist for scoring 40 marks. To get means everybody who are starting should start from here. First, what will happen is most of you, there are 2 types of students. One, not even trying to, very difficult to pass. One is, ella adamada. 2 marks adamada, passing to guarantee illa, surface area ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, trigonometry ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ella adamada ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. It is nowhere with you. So what I am saying is, please start with this pakka 40 questions. And the pakka 40 marks is there. Even your scoring, if you feel, sir, I am a good student, I want to cross 90, that's fine. But even you, since we go to valuations, I have seen a kid has done a surface area problem wonderfully, but has lost marks in mean and mode, has lost marks in construction. That's because some overconfidence. Hey, they are simple. So I request you, everybody, even if you feel you are a upper student, okay, please start with this scratch. Practice this question first. Okay, then you go to 40 marks, then 40 to 60, then 60 to 80. So please use the checklist. Once you practice, use the checklist. Check practice. That is why we put the checklist. Then at the last, we put previous year paper. See, you have to refer only one paper, all the subjects. Don't refer, just refer last year, final and supplementary. That's all. Previous year, not previous year, means 2021-22. Please don't refer. That's because we had reduced syllabus. The question papers was easy. Okay, those will not be important question papers. What is very important is last year final supplement. You understand, right? And if you have preparatory paper, last year preparatory, your teachers might have, take it. That's all. Only these 3 papers and upcoming state level preparatory. Understand? Upcoming state level preparatory. Even district, that's fine. District also sometimes we try to give it easy, cover district. So your most thing to refer is last year final, supplementary, preparatory, and this year upcoming preparatory. These 4 question papers should be your main papers to solve. All the subjects. Other people ಏನು ನೋಡಬೇಡಿ. Please don't ಯಾರೋ ನೋಡೋದು. ಅದು CBSE ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಯಾವುದು ಬೇರೆ ಅಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ಸ್. See, you will feel more hectic ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಷ್ಟೊಂದಿದೆಯಾ ಓದಕ್ಕೆ. ಅಷ್ಟೊಂದೇನಿಲ್ಲ. Very simple. Don't make it complicated. Just use these 4 question papers. That's all. Or 3. So we have attached 2 question papers here. Okay, once you finish your preparatory, please also pin those and use this worksheet. So now let's begin with the 2 markers. So, for 2 marks question, there are 8 questions. Okay. So in that one, first you can always expect the question here. Find the 20th term of AP 6,10,14 using the formula. This will be as simple as this. No negative progression, no falling AP. It will be always a growing AP. Growing AP is positive. Common difference is positive. They will not be complicated. Don't worry. Root 2, root 3, root 5. That's because in Karnataka, not only private students, there are students from rural background. They need to pass, right? So we make sure at least 40 marks is direct and simple. No twist, no turns, as it is. So in that one, you can always expect and problem based on AM. Okay. So here, you know, there are 2 important formulas. You need to understand this. See, most of the times we tend to buy formulas. It is nowhere help you. So please try to understand. Once you understand the formula, even if it's there in English, you can understand. So here, you know, in AP is like, an example is 2, 4, 6, dot, dot, dot. Okay, you can see a series of numbers. So there is some pattern here. What is the pattern? 2 and 2 is increasing, right? 2, again you add 2 to 2, become 4. 4 plus 2, 6, 6 plus 2. There is a pattern, right? Now, if somebody asks you 2, 4, 6, what is the next number? 8. Okay, so 8 in which place, which position? 4th position. What will be the 5th position? What will be 100 position? If you are integrating this, no? For this example you can, because it is too deep. Okay, what is at 156 positions? Very difficult place. So now we have a formula. Okay, where you can guess the position. Means what number is there in that position you can guess. Okay, this is the formula which we are going to see here. So this is the formula. You need to understand what are these things. So what is A and so here, what are these terms? First of all, A means the first number of the series. The first number of the series. Okay. Next, what is N?
20.
Yeah, positionally. Get the law. 156 positionally. Your number is I'm asking. No, that position is N. N is always a natural number. That is what it is. Natural number means it will not be in decimals. It will always be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So now. Next, what is P? T is the common difference. There might be some students here who will be facing difficult pass out the custom or get simple words understand. So ಎಷ್ಟು ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. So only 4 you can see now 4 and 4 it is increased. 4 and 4 is increasing. How to find that? If you want to get it, no need. So A2 minus A1. So what is A2? 10 minus 6 is 4. So now here the question, what are they asking? In this series, as it grows, as the series grows, there is some number at 20th place. No, what is that number they are asking? Okay, so A